Alrighty, we're here in Davisonville, Maryland today. Come on, Graydon, let's take a look here and see what's going on. We got all the irrigation done, 31 zones, so that's complete. Might have some touch up to do along the driveway edges once the asphalt guys get done here, get all this ripped up. Let's take a look at that right now. We got heads along here.
Yeah, there's one right there. That one looks good.
That one's okay. Looks good.
Maybe that one.
Sprinkler head here is close.
That one's in.
That one's in okay. That one's good. That one's good. You guys don't have this new driveway done by lunchtime?
Yeah. It'll be nice and dirty. It'll be a nice dirt driveway.
How you guys doing?
Pretty good.
Money everywhere. You just got to look, right? Make money in paper clips, you get enough of them. Right?
That's right. Flip it around somehow.
Guy told me that years ago, he printed millions and millions of envelopes. Where he made his money, no money on envelopes, is where they cut with the V's, where you put them on the back. Them scraps, which made him his profit. Yeah, I looked at the guy and I was like, really? And he showed me his books. I was like, that's where the money was made. Big time money too, just off the scraps. So you never know, right? So we've got a fence going in here.
Yep.
That'll be nice. What was going on? What was going on here?
They're gonna add more concrete over here, I believe.
Concrete?
Or asphalt.
Asphalt.
Yeah.
Some kind of hardscaping.
Yep.
Of some sort. Okay. This looks good. These plantings, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Looks sharp.
All the mulch down there, it's really good.
So we got the sprays in there. That's looking good. Backyard's all irrigated.
Yep.
All finished. Looking good. Looking good like it should.
This one's been running.
Yeah. We got it running every morning now.
Going now, shouldn't
Yeah, someone turned it off. We had it running 4 to 9 and then I believe 10 to 12. We can take a look in a minute. It's been running though.
Yep.
Looking good out here. Looking good out here. And then you got the plants going in the ground. They got to have water too. You know? You can't plant all this material and not have water.
Now, when I turn that on, does it have a simple on, or does it have something where you have two different type of ons?
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
There we go.
You got it. That's perfect. That's all in the backyard.
Okay.
We had that program for a different time. That's programmed for, I think, 10.
10 to 12, yeah.
Yeah. So you're good. Everything's good.
A few moments later.
Customer called, said he was getting some dry spots. That's fungus right there. That is fungus right there, buddy boy. A lot of humidity, air temperature, and air temperature, humidity combined. Add them up. It's over 150.
He just keeps adding water
Yep.
because he thinks it's dying and not fungus.
People do it all the time. They overwater. So it needs to dry out between cycles. That means don't run it every day. It's not bad though.
No.
But that's what that is. Not too much over here, a little bit in here. Let's take a look. Yeah, turf is not bad. A little stressed, but you know, hey, it's been 95 degrees.
Yeah, it's a lot.
So all things considered, looks awesome out here. We could dial this in here on, use BWI as the first weather station, and then dial in longitude, latitude of this property.
Yep.
And then set it up as its own weather station. So if it's predicting rain, then it's pulled between the rain, what the rain sensor is telling us, what the controller is telling us, it'll turn it off. Yeah. And then the next morning, we didn't get that precipitation by the computer, it's going to kick it back on.
Yep.
So, you know, like today being Friday, and it just to date ourselves, today is Friday 14th?
Yep.
Friday, July 14th.
It's supposed to rain today.
Okay, it's supposed to rain this morning. We talked about that in the meeting.
Yep.
Never rained. We talked about that with another client a couple minutes ago. And okay, so that happens, right? So it's the weather station would tell it not to come on. BWI is using the same material, so it's not something that, you know, it's third grade stuff. This is high tech. They're using it for the airports with airliners, right? But in that case, it would keep it, tell it not to come on today. But tomorrow, it would tell it, okay, now we've got a deficit here.
Exactly.
We've got to come back on. That would keep any of the fungus from accelerating because it would dry out nice, okay? And
Yeah.
that bacteria wouldn't be growing, okay? And then it would just grow itself. It's Mother Nature, and it would be good. So, not bad here. But let's get back here next week. We'll take a look at the controller with the client. So I don't want to jump ahead with them. I want to go steps with them, and then chat with them about switching out to a Wi-Fi based controller.
Yeah, make things easier.
All right, buddy, you ready?
Yeah,
Come on.
Where are we going now?
Let's go over to Davisville and take a look at a brand new install we just finished. Let's walk around there and take a look with the client.
Okay.
Where did old Graydon go? Graydon, how'd you make out of Jim Harris in Annapolis?
Did good. Rudy got it all done.
All complete?
Yep.
So what'd you all end up doing there?
We took the rainwater tanks from all the roofs, everything, all those downspouts and gutters, into these two huge, however many gallon tanks.
Big cisterns.
yeah.
Yep.
And then we took those, tied those into the system.
That's just for winterization.
Yep.
Other than that, it's going to the sprinkler system
Yep.
during the season.
Yeah, we tied that in, put the shutoff in, and then we ran an overflow line
Okay.
For the winter time when we don't need that water, but they fill up.
Yep.
And that gets pumped out and goes into the bank.
Okay. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode.